Hello, welcome to a very special episode of Gazali here on Prudent Media with me, Heather. Today in the studio with me, I have a rising global star. He rose to prominence when he was just 17 years old with his single White Tea. When he was 19, he was the youngest artist ever and the only Goan to be signed on by Divine's Gully Gang Entertainment. At 22 years old, he has bagged the Best Indian Act Award at the MTV Europe Music Awards that were announced just last week. With me today is singer, songwriter, rapper, music producer Nathan Joseph Mendes. Let's go say hello.
Yo, what's up? Hi, guys.
Hi, Nathan. So, first things first, what do I call you? Do I call you Nathan? Do I call you by your stage name?
Whatever's easier for you to pronounce, to be honest.
I think let's go with Nathan.
Nathan Yoki, Tsumyoki.
Tsumyoki.
Yeah.
So that's his stage name. He's better known, very well known as Tsumyoki. Born as Nathan.
Born as Nathan.
Okay,
yeah.
why Tsumyoki?
So, honestly, it's a word that I created. It means vision, productivity, and a positive mindset.
Vision, productivity, and positive mindset.
Yeah, so once you achieve these three things, you can say I'm in the state of Tsumyoki.
Okay, so that's a very very nice state of mind to be in. Is that where you want to be? Is that
I think that's where I think it's a state of mind we all should strive to be into. Yeah.
Cool. So thank you so much for joining us. I believe you're on a pan-India tour at the moment.
Yeah, I'm going to Mumbai next.
The next one is in Mumbai.
Yes, ma'am.
And then
that's the end of my tour, but of course there's other shows.
Okay, and how many cities have you toured so far?
5.
Wow, how has that been?
Insane. I've been jumping into crowds and everything like that.
Was this your first tour?
First official tour, yeah.
Okay, and your first ever major award?
First ever major award, first of many.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank
Were
you.
you excited?
Yeah, I'm always excited for what the future has to hold for me.
But were you also disappointed? I believe, they couldn't have the award function due to the war. So were you disappointed at not being able to be there in person? The energy it's a completely different level.
I was not really too disappointed, to be honest. I was just so grateful that I was able to get the award in the first place, that's honestly enough for me. The fact that all these Goans came together, all of my fans from all over India came together to push me and get that award for me. Honestly, that's bigger than any ceremony.
Yay, congratulations once again.
Thank you.
So tell us, Nathan, now you're based out of Goa.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're a rap artist.
I am a musician.
You're a musician. Okay, so you don't go by rap artist.
No, I make music of different kinds.
So how has it been difficult doing that, considering that Goa is a small state, and the music that you make is very different than mainstream.
Yeah.
Has that been difficult for you?
Yeah, so much. That's why I started when I was 16 years old. It took me 6 years to get this far. But it's just because I kept on putting in the hard work. The politics of Goa was so bad. I had no one to look up to, who was a Goan original artist in this new age stuff. I had nobody to look up to and say okay, this is what the step that you have to take. I was just winging it the whole time.
Okay.
And the politics of the industry was so bad. If you're a young artist, even now, even today, it's lesser today, but they will not treat you with respect. They will not, you will not get sponsorships. They will not book you to perform. They will not give you the opportunities that you deserve.
And yet you persevered.
Yet I persevered.
So who got you into music? Was there somebody that inspired you? Do you come from a musical family? Sort of.
My grandfather was a musician, so he was into that kind of he was not big time, but he was known. And then after that, I wrote a diss track on my friend when I was in 10th grade. Yeah, so that's the first thing I ever wrote.
Would you like to tell the audience what is a diss track exactly?
A diss track, diss means disrespect. So it was a rap which was disrespecting my friend Ajay. Shout out to you, bro. But yeah, so that was the first thing I wrote, and then I realized, I can write,
light bulb moment.
Yeah, I was like, let's try this out, as a hobby. And then we kept pushing forward, and then now it is what it is. It's a full-time career.
That's awesome. What's your creative process like?
Honestly, I don't even know, man. It just comes to me. I think that's one thing that really humbles me a lot of times. I realize that I'm not the head of my creative process. It can stop anytime, and that's why I choose to always be a good person, because I don't know where this comes from. Like I just get, it's more like I'm watching myself writing, and that's how the lyrics
you had no
comes.
formal training?
No formal training, nothing like that. I just had like a couple of guitar classes, but that doesn't matter. Like that's guitar. I'm talking about writing, right? It's just like I don't know. It's like almost like you're a vessel, like you're a messenger, and something higher is like writing this down, giving you this information. Like you don't know where it comes from, you know.
Do you have a muse?
A muse, yeah, a couple. Always life experiences,
Okay.
Everything that life puts you through, that's where you get your stuff from.
That's nice. In many of your interviews, you speak about your mom and the close ties that you share with your mom.
Yeah.
Is there something that, how happy was she when you won the award?
She started crying. Like
Oh
she
my
legit,
God.
just went down like this for like 3 minutes straight, and she just started bawling her eyes out. Because it's like, it's not just a win for me, right? It's a win for like all of Goa. I'm just one of the guys I'm just the guy they voted for, but like they came together and made, it was a team effort. And for my mom especially, it was like such a big deal for her, because when I first started off, it was all like, what is your son getting into?
Yes.
He'll never make it. Like he'll get into drugs and smoking and partying all the time, and then she just had to constantly just take that, and she couldn't say anything back. That's now.
She didn't want to discourage you.
She not just that, she just believed in me. Like she just said like, he's happy doing this. And then no matter what these people say, she didn't care. But still it weighs down when it's your own family telling you like he's going to get into drugs, he's going to get into this and stuff like that. Like it's her own family's telling her this. It weighed down on her so much. So when I won that award, it was like a stamp of like
That's it.
she
My
was
son-
just like it was
son
we won that award, me
Yeah.
and my mom, like she was like so happy. It was like a weight lifted off her shoulders. Like the anxiety just went away, and she just started crying because of everything people told us, when we were
That's so
smaller.
beautiful. Yes,
Yeah.
I know, it's very difficult to do something different, something that's not mainstream, and that is exactly what you decided to do at such a young age. So you went completely off the beaten path, so to speak, and you wanted to do something that was different, correct? So, you always have your family, your neighbors. You must be having a lot of internet trolls.
Oh yeah, but like I don't care about them, man. They can hate on me. When they're hating on you, that means you're doing something right.
That means they're noticing you at least.
That means that they're insecure about something in their lives, and therefore they see someone doing something that they can't do, so they need to project that their hate towards that, and then that's what hate is. It's just like insecurities because you're doing something right. If you're going up, there will be people who bring you down.
To pull you down.
To pull you down. So if someone's pulling you down, that means you're going up. So
But then, does it affect you?
does it affect me? No, man. I don't care, man. Like you can hate on me. Like it's cool. I was saying like, if it's not personal, I don't take it personally.
That's a very good attitude to have. Because there is so much of hate out there. There is so much that people sitting behind screens, and since it's a very it makes them feel powerful, because you're just sitting behind a screen and it's a keyboard, and then you can say whatever you want to say.
Yeah, man. But like, it's okay.
Okay.
It is
Coming
what it
back
is.
to music, what kind of music? What kind of music do you create, and how would you describe your music?
I don't even know, man. I just make so many different genres. I don't like go to like the studio being like, okay, I'm gonna make a pop song today, or I'm gonna make a rap song today. I just go in there and just like, I think diverse is the way to describe it. Because I just make whatever I feel like. If I want to make a rock song, I'm like, let's make a rock song. I just love this. I'm
process,
obsessed with this.
the
I'm
creative
obsessed.
process.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, this process. I'm obsessed with it. That's why I love putting in so much time and effort into this thing, because it's like therapy for me.
Nice. You also had a band that you started. It's called Goa Trap Culture.
GTC.
Yes.
Yes, that's our
Oh,
title.
that's cool.
GTC. We all
Are
have
you guys
this
still
title.
together? Do you still
Yeah.
do you still make music together? Do
Yes.
you perform together?
Yes, we perform together. They're performing with me in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah. So I always make sure to bring my boys up with me as well. I don't like making money alone. I don't like rising up on my own. Like if I'm getting paid, let's say 100, I'll make sure my boys get 50. It's like that. I don't like making money alone. It's just like it. I don't like it. I don't care about money.
So these are go on boys. They've grown up with you.
Yeah, no, they've not grown up with me. I've met them like about 4 years ago.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. So that's.
And then you had a band that you had a band together.
Slowly we formed into I wouldn't say a band. I would say like more like a group where we perform together and stuff like that. But yeah.
So I know we've spoken about this earlier, and I wanted to tackle it again. Since you're not into any of these mainstream vocations, so to speak, is there anything that people assume about you that is untrue? Is there anything that you want to set straight?
Yeah, I don't do drugs, guys. Just because I'm a rapper.
Drugs is bad.
Doesn't mean
It's
I
bad.
do drugs. Nah, screw that. We don't need that in our lives. We don't need that to have fun. You don't need parties to have fun. You don't need any of that stuff. You just be a good person. Be true to your heart. Find a way to control your temptations,
Be positive.
Be positive, 100%.
Don't focus on the haters.
Vision, productivity, positive mindset. You don't need drugs.
Cool. So right now you're working on you said you're working on a deluxe version of your last album. Yeah. Would you like to tell us something about that?
Yeah. So I have basically like the main album was going to be songs just with Goan collabs, which is already out, released June 2nd, and now the deluxe album is coming, and we have a couple of big collabs, one even out of India. Okay, which I can't say the names right now.
You're not telling us.
No, I can't. But it's an international artist, and then I have another song with two very big Indian artists. And
this is all part of the same album.
Part of the album deluxe, yeah, which is like an add-on to the original album. So this one is focused on having some cool collabs. So I have some cool collabs coming.
Nice. We look forward to it.
Yes.
Future plans. What can we expect next after your deluxe album? What's next for Yoki?
Honestly, I'm just winging it. I keep making music and releasing music, and right now I'm in a sort of like a rap phase. So I might bring my rap music back, take a break from pop music for a bit. But yeah, I just want to keep getting lit, have more shows, have more amazing music, inspire more fans, grow my fan base.
That's nice.
Businessman mindset.
Now, we have a lot of, since you said you're getting back to rap, there's a lot of rap happening in Bombay, the rap culture in Bombay.
It's just rap music. Where it comes from is like a different kind of thing. Like these guys are like, I think a lot of them are from Dharavi, from my label. And their music is like really, really damn cool. And I don't think they'd like to be like confined to just like Dharavi rap. Like they make hip hop, they make Desi hip hop, So that's like.
So Desi hip hop. I think
Desi hip hop
that's what would be a better way to call it.
Is the correct term.
Yes.
Yeah, Desi hip hop. And I think that they are making some amazing strides. They didn't have the opportunities that I had, at least, like I've never had to worry about like food on the table and stuff like that. Like thank you, like I'm very grateful that I had a roof over my head and stuff like that. So for them to make it out of the hood, it's like insane.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
And they're quite popular. I mean, YouTube.
Very, very, very popular. The Mumbai scene is crazy. There's so many listeners in rap music. Like we've already outsold more tickets for our Mumbai show than for our Goa show. Goa show we sold out, but we've already outsold the Mumbai tickets because there's just so many people who listen to original music there.
That's nice. And after Bombay, you said you have some more shows scheduled. Are you performing in Goa again?
Yeah, I think so. For India Bike Week. I'm not too sure about
That's
that.
later on in December.
Yeah, later in December.
Okay. You're so young. You're only 22. And you have such a long way to go. What would be your ultimate ambition music-wise?
I just want to, I want to make the next big Goan star. I think that these walls we break, right? I break through that first wall. That's gonna be me. That's my contribution to the culture. But I want, because of everything that I have done and all the hard work that I've put in, I want the next Goan kid who's probably like 13 or 14 right now to look up to me and be like, yo, he did that, I can do that too. And then becomes bigger than me. That's one of my main goals. Like I want to break that wall so that we can have the next big, because it's not just me that needs to redefine Goa. It's everybody. All of us need to. There should be a bunch of musicians, bunch of big musicians coming from Goa. Bunch of new artists. So I want that to happen in Goa. I don't want this clubbing scene to like. It's great, but like, it's just there's no original music here. There's very less original music compared to, relatively speaking, compared to like the rest of India. I just want, and there's so much creativity here, so much, which is just not being utilized.
And talent, and
yeah,
such a lot of talent.
Yeah, so I just want to bring that out of Goa and show the rest of India that this is what Goans are made of. Yeah, don't mess with us. We're not Susegad.
I think a lot of your songs also have, Goan elements, Goan influences.
Yeah, here and there, couple of them. But like, we're not just Susegad. Susegad only on Sundays, but Monday to Friday we are.
Sometimes not even that.
Yeah, Monday to Friday we're working hard. We're not the stereotypes that they put on us.
True. Did you have to battle that stereotype?
Yeah. Everywhere you go out of India, you're from Goa, your life is a vacation, bro. Why you even come to Mumbai, bro? Just chill in Goa, go to the beach, bro. Like, just drink, bro. Like, no.
That's not what we do.
That's not what we do.
That's
not what we do.
True.
Like,
Cool. Nathan, are you going to sing something for us? Why don't you sing something a little bit for us?
Sure, I can. Pink Blue.
Pink Blue, yes. That's one of your most popular songs,
Yes,
I believe.
yes.
Yes.
6 million streams.
Wow.
Right now. Yeah.
Okay. On Spotify?
Spotify.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm feeling pink blue, that's new. Riding around my head, I cannot think straight. That's strange, I wish you were here so you could stay for a long time. Think about what you said, it made me daydream, lazy. Then I saw your face, yeah. There you go.
Oh, wow, you have such a beautiful voice. Did you write? You wrote the song.
Yeah.
You wrote the song.
Yeah.
This
one went pretty viral. Like out of our hands type viral.
Oh, that's awesome. Now this was part of your Moon album?
No. This was a separate one. This was before.
Now you've been, handling, or should I say, you've been a part of the music world, the Bombay music world, the Mumbai scene since you were 19.
Yeah.
That's, very young. How have you been handling it?
I don't let my age define me, I think mentally I'm not 19. Like, at least that's what society thinks 19-year-olds are. But I'm just like very focused. I never let my age define me. I never let people tell me to, because I'm this old, I can't do anything. Like, I can do anything I want. I can achieve the whole world. If I want, I'm gonna get a Grammy. I'm gonna get every single award, because I'm irrationally confident in myself. I irrationally believe myself. Like, if you ask me how much I believe in myself, it's completely irrational. People think I'm crazy. Like, oh, this guy was saying he wants to get a Grammy. I will try my best. How am I going to know without trying?
True. You never know until you try.
You never know until you try. Who would have known I would win an EMA?
I agree.
Like, no one would expect that, but like, we did it.
We did it.
Yay!
Yeah. So Grammy it is. That's where we're headed next.
Oh, if things go well.
Of course they will.
If things go well.
And work hard, stay focused, stay
100%.
positive.
Hard work is number one. Talent doesn't mean anything. Hard work is 90%. Talent is just 10%.
You had an alter ego. What would it be?
I think, you know what? If I were to have an alter ego, it would be a businessman. I would be a salesperson. I feel like I would be so good in sales because I'm so good at talking rubbish, Just like on the spot.
Salespeople talk rubbish.
Sometimes, I mean, they convince you to buy things that you don't need. So I think I could be a great salesman,
What can you sell me right now?
I don't know. What? Are you thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, I'm selling that for like $10.
$10.
Yeah,
Get me
scarcity.
some free water, guys.
Create scarcity.
Okay. I know you said you're a great dancer.
Yeah.
You love to dance.
Yeah, I do. I was before all this music stuff. I used to be a dancer. Yeah.
Okay.
Like in school, I would like do all of the moves and everything like that. You know, for every annual day and stuff like that, they would call me because I was just like, and now that helps in performing. And then after being a dancer, I was a photographer.
Okay.
Can you imagine me? I used to be a photographer, and then I became a singer. You know. And
So you finally found your path.
yes, I think so. Let's see tomorrow if it changes, you know. But I think this is pretty solid now. I can't back out of it. There's people who have tattoos of my name, so
Oh, wow.
yeah, I'm accountable. Yeah.
Do you sing in the shower?
Of course, the shower is the best place to sing. You'll start freestyling, singing and everything like that. All your lyrics, you gotta stop the shower to write some lyrics down. It's yeah,
You
definitely.
do that?
Of course. Who doesn't sing in the shower?
Who doesn't? I don't sing in the shower.
You don't sing in the shower? You're lying. You're lying. See, you're lying to the media. Can you believe
Not
this,
at all.
guys?
Not at all. No, guys. So that's, do you have a sounding board? So once you write your songs, do you have somebody that, you sound them off?
Like send like ideas to?
Yeah?
Yeah, my boy Elton. Shout out my boy L2. All my ideas, and he also like we just keep going back and forth with like these ideas. Like, is this good? Is that good? Like, like he's my guy. Like, he got my back. My boy. Yeah, I think definitely the Goa scene is still growing, and some big artists who have a lot of potential are L2, Kid Mange, we got Young K14, he just turned 18.
These are the guys who are part of your trap culture?
Some of them, but some of them are independent artists. We got BMD, we got Bongisio, Vejax is a Konkani rapper, Shan Shakti, all of these guys you guys gotta check out. Really, they are helping us build the scene together. We're all in this together,
All into original music.
All into original music. We're really changing up this game.
And young, I believe these are all young guys.
Young guys, some of them, yeah.
Thank you so much, Nathan, for joining us. That was Nathan Joseph Mendes, aka Tsumyoki, or
Tsumyoki.
Tsumyoki. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Or Yoki, as he's known to his fans. They've got his name tattooed, he says. So he's being held accountable now.
Yeah.
Thank you all for joining us. Thank you for watching this wonderful interview. All the best, Nathan. We hope to see you achieve much, much, much more. We wish you all the best. We're all with you. Goa is with you. May you achieve all that you ever want and lots of success.
Yeah. So let's bring Goa up, Let's do this.
आज गोंयांत डिझलाच्या धुंवराक लागून कितलेशेच प्रदूषण वाडलां. हवेन वाडलेल्या कार्बनाक लागून लोकांक श्वास घेवपाक त्रास जाता. अरे डिस्टर्ब करू नाका रे, राव मातसो. जशे व्हडल्या व्हडल्या शहरांनी प्रदूषणाचो लेवल वाडला तशी दुयेंसांय वाडल्या. अशीच परिस्थिती आमच्या गोंयांतूय येतली काय असो सगळ्यांक भंय पडला.
अरे बस येता.
अरे बस येतली जाल्यार गोंग 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 करून आवाज करतली. पेरे 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 करून हॉर्न मारतली. कळ्ळें मरे? हे कितें रे? आवाज ना तो ना, हुंगरय ना. कसलो चमत्कार?
चमत्कार न्ही, गोंय सरकार पोल्युशन फ्री इको फ्रेंडली इलेक्ट्रिक बसेस धांवतात गोंयच्या रस्त्यार.
कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाच्यो ई बसीस विथ फुल्ली एअर कंडिशन, 40 सिटिंग कॅपॅसिटी, USB सॉकेट्स, रिजनरेटिव्ह ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम आणि प्रवाशांच्या सुरक्षे खातीर एमर्जन्सी बटन.
कदंबा बसी आमकां जितल्यो फॅसिलिटीज दितात तितल्योच फॅसिलिटीज माझी बस ह्या स्किमी अंतर्गत जवळ जवळ 25 प्रायव्हेट बसी आमकां दितात. म्हणजे स्टुडंट्सांक कन्सेशन, सिनियर सिटीजन्सांक कन्सेशन आणि कॅन्सर पेशंट्सांक फ्री ट्रॅव्हल. इतलेंच न्ही, प्रायव्हेट बस ओनराक सुद्दां ह्या स्किमींतल्यान खूब आदार मेळटा. आ करून कितें पळयता, आतां उलय.
आता किती उलो भिवपाची सोड आता उलोवपाची गरज ना.
शुद्ध श्वास आरोग्यदायी प्रवास आरोग्याची हमी गोंय सरकार पडचो ना खंयच कमी.